2009 Mercedes ML350 with a Harman Kardon premium sound system. This is the cheapest way to add Bluetooth for streaming wireless music. Now this audio system does have Bluetooth, but only for answering phone calls. Now what we're gonna need is this Bluetooth USB dongle. I bought it less than $3 from AliExpress, and a USB charge port for $2 also on AliExpress. Now what's inside the box? So this brand is T03. You can find them all in AliExpress. It's a USB dongle with an audio out. Now most ML350s has this connection in the glove compartment with a proprietary iPod connection and audio connection. So what we're gonna do is connect the audio out of the dongle on the connection on the vehicle. Then we're gonna insert the other end on our charge port.
Bluetooth mode.
So you heard it connected. Now let's connect the Bluetooth on our phone. T03 because the name of the brand is T03. It's finding it.
Connected.
And as you heard, it's connected. Now let's play some non-copyrighted audio music. Okay, I'm hoping this is non-copyrighted. Ta-da! Now it's playing music in our vehicle. And that's the fastest and cheapest way to add wireless Bluetooth music in this 2009 Mercedes ML350. Thank you for watching.